Hey everybody, this is Stu with another video tutorial to teach you how to make your fretting hand lighter, to make your single notes more easy to play. I'm going to teach you that beautiful Beethoven melody and a 3-step process on how you can make your fretting hand so much more relaxed. These are the kind of techniques that I share at my in-person retreats. Check the links down below if you'd like to register and join me in person. We go deep into music. We have a ton of fun jamming together, and I also share accessible practices from mindfulness and breathing techniques to help focus your mind, relax your body, make your music journey more light, more efficient, and more joyful. You can register at the links down below. Please sign the mailing list and keep in the loop of what I have to offer here at the Ukulele Zen channel. The technique I want to share with you was presented to me as the buzz scale. The buzz scale, my classical guitar teacher used to have me play my scales sloppy on purpose. What she showed me was a gorgeous 3-step process. And when I learned how to play the notes sloppy, see, can you hear that buzzing? Once I could master the buzz, all I had to do was push a wee bit more, and I got a clean note with the least amount of effort, which allows my hand to be so much more efficient. The 3-step process is thud, buzz, clean. Thud, buzz, clean. Let's start by putting our ring finger, 3rd finger, on the 3rd string at the 4th fret. First thing we're going to do is don't even push, just make a thud. It's kind of like the X chord for a single note. Don't do anything but just thud. Now you're just going to squeeze a little bit, just enough to get a buzz. Don't get a clean note yet. And when you're doing that, pay attention. This is a great way to learn where the tension creeps in into your hand. Where does it show up for you? Is it down here at the thumb? Is it in the wrist? Is it up in the back of the hand? Just buzz, soften into the effort, smile at your hand. Really, cheer it on. And now squeeze just a little more, clean. And you just made a clean note with the least amount of effort possible. This may seem like I'm drawing out the process of playing one note. I'm not trying to burden you with lots of theory or overthinking it. This process will eventually be like that. It is important to first break it down. So, thud, buzz, little more light. And when you get to that light place, remember what it feels like so you can go back to there. It's really important. Key, actually, to program the feeling, the tactile sensation of what that felt like when you played lightly. I've got more to share, but if you're enjoying this video so far, please reach out and give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. It's a really great way to help out this channel. Every time you click like or subscribe, it tells YouTube that this is valuable content, and it'll share it with more enthusiastic learners like yourself. So thanks so much, and be sure to leave a comment down below with any questions you have for me for future videos. There's a magic that happens when you find out how to play just one note with no effort. Really opens up a world of possibilities. Wow, I was pushing way too hard all this time. Right now, I'd like to lead you through a slow run through of Beethoven's melody. As you go through this, make sure that you maintain connection to that soft touch. Here is a slow run through of Beethoven's melody in position 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is a run through of that same melody in the 2nd position. 2, 3, 4. We can add some open strings to this upper position to make more of a chord melody. 1, 2, let's add open strings. I added a different chord right there. 2, 3, 4. That other chord I played was a G7, open, 5, 3, 5. This is a simple and slow run through, and I did that intentionally so you can maintain that light touch across the fretboard as you play the melodies. Once it feels light, pick up the tempo and see if you can maintain that lightness of touch. The more and more you practice, just for a few minutes each day, these techniques of relaxing, thudding, and buzzing, you're going to find it starts to permeate all the things that you play, and your hand is much more relaxed and soft. It does take time, so be patient. Remember, drop by drop by drop, the bucket will get filled. It does take time, so be patient as you learn. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click right here to watch another tutorial from me. Look forward to seeing you in another tutorial sometime soon. Keep on jamming. Keep on smiling.